Since we introduced Update Manager for installing and maintaining the built-in libraries, one request has come up again and again. Let us choose where those libraries live, including on shared network drives for Studio's teams. We've added exactly that, and here's how it works. You'd open Update Manager from the Start menu, or by clicking Update in the general rollout of ForestPack or RailClone. Then go to File Preferences, and in the Generals tab, find Assets Location. Click Select Folder and choose your path, local or a network, and click OK to confirm. If the libraries aren't already in that folder, download them as usual. If they already exist, then you're done. From now on, all downloaded assets will be stored and updated in that location, whether that's a fast local drive or a shared Studio server. You don't need a separate installer for this. This new version of Update Manager is included with RailClone 7.1.4 and above and ForestPack 9.3.3. Just update either plugin and Update Manager will be upgraded automatically.